We're like, we're brothers, we're happy and we're singing and we're colored. Give me a high five. Cut and print.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Now's a good time to go ahead and subscribe. As you guys can see, today's video is in collaboration with Urban Hydration. So I'm bringing you their Breath of Fresh Hair, and this is their shampoo, condition, leave-in, and I'm also showing you a quick look at the steamer machine that I'm going to be using. Don't worry, I'm going to actually leave a link to it so that you guys can find this in my Amazon store. And of course, we are starting off with some pretty dirty hair. I haven't really been doing much to my hair at all, y'all. I don't know where this weird accent is coming from, but it's just how I'm feeling today. All right, how are you doing today? My day is going really well, y'all. I'm in a very good mood. I hope energetically you guys are there also. But yeah, a lot of good stuff coming up. You guys know I've been on this hair journey for quite some time. I did my big chop about a year and a half ago. If you missed that video, definitely check it out. We have gotten rid of pretty much all of the bad ends at this point. I keep up with my trims every 6 to 8 weeks, closer to the 8-week mark. And yeah, this is pretty much how I keep my hair hydrated. Of course, this is a newer product, so this is kind of like a review tutorial situation, right? But what I love about this process is I literally use my hydration machine for everything, not just to steam my face, of course, when I'm getting rid of just nastiness, but also to hydrate my hair. So what I do love about the products here, you guys can see everything that you are going to see from this line is going to be completely natural, plant-based type products. So you don't have to worry about having all those nasty chemicals, product buildup, all that. What I love about the shampoo is it doesn't feel like overly drying. You know how sometimes you go in, especially with the natural hair stuff, like, you know, every company claims to be chemical free and all that, but then you get a shampoo that literally strips your hair, dries it out, leaves you feeling like, baby, I hope that this conditioner is going to do it. Well, no. Urban Hydration has definitely done a very good job of maintaining the moisture. Obviously, the steam machine is going to help open up my cuticles and kind of lock everything in. I know a lot of times when I'm washing my hair, I think I turned off the water because I know y'all be clocking me, okay, about saving water. So I'm trying to be a little bit more mindful of that. But yeah, once you get this pretty much good and lathered up, you guys make sure that you are hitting all the areas of your head. You want to hit that nape, the side, the front, the middle, hard to reach areas. And if you need to do 2 washes, you can. I didn't because for the past 2 weeks, I've actually only been doing like conditioning treatments. So I haven't been washing my hair with shampoo. I've only been using conditioner and yeah, just kind of going from there. So co-washes for the past 2 weeks. And so I definitely needed to kind of get a little bit of gunk out, but not much. Haven't had too much product buildup. And then for the conditioner, the first thing that I noticed about this conditioner is that it was super thick. For me, that was a plus. It wasn't overly runny. A little definitely went a long way. Y'all know either way, I used way too much. Now, I'm not going to get into the details of like, oh, is my hair for A, B, C, D, E, F, G? Honestly, my hair has changed so much now that it's gotten a little bit longer, now that I continuously go to get those trims. So you guys know, obviously, I'm straightening my hair a little bit more, not overly doing it, but definitely to the extent that my curl pattern has relaxed a little bit. In some areas, y'all, I am like the queen of using a heat protectant. So I try not to do too much. If I do have any straight styles, I try to stretch it as long as I can without applying too much heat. And so yeah, we're just maintaining this journey, you guys. Most importantly, you're going to want to make sure that you detangle. So once you get that conditioner in, this is where the steam treatment is your best friend, because now all of those products and everything that's in the product is actually being pushed down into the cuticle. So then that way, once you rinse this with lukewarm to cold water, as cold as you can stand it, it's going to close those cuticles to kind of help seal everything in, the moisture. So this is all the shedding that I got. I was not mad at it at all. So that is definitely going to come from the fact that I keep my hair trimmed. And then also this conditioner did a really, really great job at detangling my hair without having to do too much. You guys know my texture is all over the place. We have kinky curls, we got some loose curls, we got wavy curls, y'all. So at this point, healthy hair is more so the agenda than anything else. And then of course, I pretty much sat under the steamer for a little bit of time, rinsed it out, and we are on to the style. So y'all know my hair always looks crazy once I finish doing that whole process of shampooing and conditioning. Like I said, my texture is all over the place, so the curls are just different. They are what they are. I love them. My hair is hydrated. It feels soft, bouncy, and like it's ready to, like, you know, have something done to it. So I decided I was going to do a twist out. I have not done one on my channel in so freaking long that I'm like, yeah, this is long overdue. My hair is almost at the same length that it was before the big, actually it's longer than it was at the big chop. But you guys, if you've been following me for a while, you know the changes that my hair have gone through, from up and down, all that good stuff. So what I am using is their hair lotion, and this is providing so much more hydration. There's all type of oils in here, and if you need to, you can also layer this product up. I decided not to, just because I really wanted to get a true feel of what the product could do. Is it going to hold the curls together? Is it going to act as a gel? And it kind of did a little bit of all of them. So I don't know if you guys remember the pink lotion. Of course you remember the pink lotion. Who cannot, right? That this product, I'm not going to say that it mimics that, because it's definitely a lot thicker, but in terms of like the way that it feels, that slip that you get, the hydration that you get, I mean, she did a really, really great job of not creating creating a product that does not have buildup. You guys did not even see once where, you know, I smoothed this product through and you're not seeing any residue, nothing left over that I'm gonna have to tell you like, oh, this is gonna dry by tomorrow. Like, no, there's nothing. And I definitely appreciated that. Everything just felt very smooth. So in case you guys are here more so for the tutorial, then of course you guys can see I've literally split my hair into sections, straight from ear to ear. You guys can see going across the top, I have that top section, we have a middle section, and then the bottom row. You do not need a comb to do this, because of course you don't want this to be perfect. What's going to end up happening is, after I take out these twists, once they're fully dried, I'm going to go ahead and kind of do an afro style, right? Hopefully the curls come out nicely, so we won't have to, obviously I know what's going to happen, you know, this is a voiceover, but if this is your first time watching this, right, ideally we're hoping everything is going to come out as promised. And so yeah, this is pretty much the test here. You guys can see the slip that it has. It's allowing me to go throughout my hair with no problem. Y'all know my hair is extremely dry for the most part, brittle for the most part. Like, there's a lot of work that goes into maintaining healthy hair on my end. And so y'all, I was extremely satisfied with this. You guys are seeing just how bouncy my hair looks. It's full, thick from root to tip. And yeah, I really don't have too many complaints. I definitely think that I will want to use this product in multiple ways, not just in this twist out, because I feel like it might be a very good, maybe combo products for other protective styles that I would do. So maybe some of the heat-free ones. So let me know if that's something you guys want to see. Just more versatility with like the natural styles. I know I've been kind of getting into the wigs and the braids and the crochet, but if you guys want to see some hair now that I have some, okay, definitely let me know if you want to see other styles as well. I'll be more than happy to show you this. And of course, the next day, in case you guys are wondering, these are not foam rollers. These are the perm rods. You can definitely use the soft rollers, flexi rods, whatever it is you feel comfortable with. I know sometimes we complain about not being able to sleep with them. So as you guys can see here, I'm actually taking some of my sunflower oil. Well, you guys can't really see, but that's what I'm putting on my hair and just kind of smoothing it through. So as I go through these and kind of take everything down, I'm going to slowly kind of smooth that throughout the shaft just to really seal everything in. And yeah, you can see the first one I took out was still actually wet. I'm assuming that happened when I was in the shower, because all of these were dry last time I checked. Okay. But anyway, yeah, so go ahead and just start taking them out. You guys, I'm not the best when it comes to like like the patience that it takes to just like slowly take down the roller. In my opinion, I always just want the fro, regardless. Like, it can be kinky, it can be frizzy, it can be super curly and defined. I'm not that girl that's just like, oh my God, my twist out didn't come out right. Like, no, that's not me. I believe that my hair looks gorgeous. Like, right now, I was super happy taking these down just because of how shiny it was. My hair felt soft, hydrated, and mind you, I only used one freaking product. So there's that. But yes, my hair felt super hydrated, bouncy, and just kind of like refreshed. Like, you know, sometimes you'll see or if you used to do the twist outs, or if you still do, and you have trouble with finding products that are not going to weigh you down and have your face all oily and looking crazy. Y'all, I think I found it. I would love to layer this with some of my personal products. Y'all know that's in the works, but neither here nor there, okay? Look at my hair. Look at the bounce. Come on now. Come through. All right, y'all. So, anywho, I'm going to go ahead and just take a pic just to kind of bounce this up a little bit. Y'all, I was not super satisfied with what the curls looked like. To me, I wanted them to be a little bit tighter. So, this is where I learned or remembered why I stopped using the perm rods, because it gave more of like a wavy look. I was going for more of like those super tiny like ringlets. So I will definitely be doing another video using this product for sure, because I want to do like the perm rods, or I just said that, not the perm rods, y'all. I want to do the soft satin rollers. That's what I want to do. But once I kind of figured out like, yeah, I didn't want to do any like other styles. I wanted to go for the fro. Okay, it's giving very much Angela Davis. It's the vibe that I was going for, y'all. My hair looks so cute. Look at the fro. So of course, despite that one little side that's like not dry, right, and then this one little piece in the front was doing something weird, I went ahead and just put the satin roller on there for literally 3 minutes, took it out, and voila. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babies.